Hello guys, myself Train Academy. Welcome back to this new video. So in today's video, I am going to show you the level 12 and episode 9, and this is the series of learn ethical hacking from zero with me using over the wire. And in this video, I am going to show you how to crack this level, that is level 12. Yes, it's level 12. So the password for the next level is stored in the data.txt file where all lower cases and upper cases letters have been rotated by 13th position. Okay, I understood. So here is the reading material also about rot 13, like what do you mean by rotating through 13. So basically rotating through 13 is a simple letter substitution cipher that replaces the letter with the 13th letter, okay, after it. It's just a special case of Kaiser cipher which you can study more, okay. So here you can see the letters are replaced by the 13th one, like if there is A, then it will be replaced by N, B, then O. If there is C, then it will convert it into P, like hello, then U R Y Y B. H is converted by U, E R, here you can see E R, and L Y L Y L Y, O B, O, where is O here, O B, okay. So it works opposite like this, rot 13. So for this we are going to use terminal. So let's first connect through it. SSH -p 2220, then bandit, then the IP using level 11, the previous password which we saved after cracking the previous level, Control L, ls. Here we can see the data, cat data.txt. Yes, this is a cipher based. It is rotated. So we need to rotate this. How? There are two ways. First, using online systems like online platforms like rot 13. If you will write rot 13 here, there will many websites like this. You can come on this and just copy this sentence, and when you will paste it, boom, you got the password. So this is the first way through which you can get the password for this level, which is a good way for ease of things. But if you want to go through the terminal, then you need to give this command first, cat data.txt. Then you are going to use this pipelining so that the output will be transferred to the translating tool, that is TR. And here you can see TR also, which is mentioned, which you can use in this level. So we are going to use TR, then we are specifying this, like what to translate. TR is used for translating, okay, the data. So it is going to be used in conversion, okay. So this is the command. This is set1 TR. You can take this as set1, then give a space, and then again this thing, these keywords will be replaced by set2. In set2 we are going to mention N to Z. Everything should be capital. For capital, then capital, and A to M. Right. So again N to Z, and then A to M. Now if you can't understand the command, then there is no issue. I will explain it, because first let's see if the password is correct. Yes, the password is correct. Okay. So now let's understand this command. For understanding this command, you need to understand this thing first. Here it is translating cat data.txt, that will read the file, and after reading, the pipelining will transfer that file data here in the translating thing tool, and TR will do what? It will replace as it is. Here you can see uppercase letters A to Z. So first we will write that A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. That is good. Now press enter. Okay, command on. Instead of this, let's do Control C. Okay, and here you can see I wrote A to Z. This is the first set 1. The data is from set 1. Now how this tool will replace this? For replacing this thing, it will take all upper letter data from set 2. Here you can see N to Z. So we will write from N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. right? And then it is A to M. So A B C D E F G H I J K L M N, sorry, M, and control C. These control C are not in the rotating part. It's just for it's a command, like it's a Linux command, man. Okay, so don't count these upper than C. Okay, here you can see A will be replaced by N, B will be replaced by O, C will be replaced by P, D will be replaced by Q, E will be replaced by R. So for verifying this, you can say this 7K. K is X. So where is K? Here it is K. K is replaced by X. Yes, this is right. Here also is K and K is replaced by X, right? So here you can see how this command work, and same goes for a small one: A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z, and again like this. Then again go from N to Z like this: N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z, and then A B C D E F G H I J K L M, and control C. Here you can see again the same thing, but in a smaller case. So this still works like this: A to Z, then N to Z, A to M, and like that. If you want to rotate 14, then rotate this accordingly, like N to, like that. Okay, everything depends. So in this video, this was all from my side, because the level is clear, and just save the password for the next level. And for now, let's go and move to next level, but the next level will be in the next video. So till then, bye bye, stay connected. Let's see you guys in the upcoming video. Bye bye, regards, and have a kind day.